Have you ever wondered why our bodies aren't as perfect as they seem? It's a question that has intrigued scientists, philosophers, and the curious among us for centuries. The human body, a marvel of nature's engineering, is a complex system of cells, tissues, and organs working in harmony. But what if I told you that this seemingly perfect system is riddled with imperfections, design flaws if you will, that are inherent in our biology? Despite the strides we've made in science and technology, advancing our knowledge of human biology and improving our healthcare systems, we still encounter a plethora of health issues. These range from minor annoyances like allergies and back pain to life-threatening conditions like heart disease and cancer. You might be wondering, how can this be? With all our advancements, why do we still suffer so much? The answer, interestingly, lies in the very design of our bodies. Our bodies, while remarkable, aren't perfect. They are products of evolution, and evolution is a process of trade-offs, not perfection. For instance, our upright posture, a defining characteristic of our species, is also a source of chronic back pain for many. Our complex brains, while enabling our intelligence, are also susceptible to a host of neurological disorders. Our ability to eat a wide range of foods has made us adaptable, but it also leaves us prone to obesity and diabetes. These are but a few examples of the paradox that is the human body, an intricate system that, while capable of extraordinary feats, is also marked by inherent flaws. These flaws are not signs of a poorly designed system, but rather they are evidence of our evolutionary history, reflecting the trade-offs and compromises that have shaped us. So as we embark on this journey together, let's keep an open mind. Let's appreciate the human body for what it is, a marvel of nature, a product of evolution, and a system that, while far from perfect, is incredibly fascinating. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of our body's imperfections. When we compare ourselves to other species, our imperfections become even more apparent. Let's consider the animal kingdom, where we find a myriad of creatures that possess physical abilities that far surpass our own. Take for instance the cheetah, the world's fastest land animal. This magnificent creature can reach speeds of up to 60 miles per hour in a matter of seconds, a feat that no human could ever dream of achieving. Or consider the elephant, with its robust strength and durability, capable of carrying loads that would crush the human frame. In the aquatic realm, we find the dolphin, a creature that not only swims with an ease that humans can only emulate with years of training, but also possesses a sonar system for navigation, something we can only recreate with complex technology. Then there's the bat, a creature that has mastered the art of echolocation, navigating through the darkest of nights with precision, an ability that leaves our human senses in the dust. These animals are perfectly adapted to their environments, their physical traits allowing them to survive and thrive in ways humans simply cannot. The cheetah's speed, the elephant's strength, the dolphin's sonar, and the bat's echolocation are all prime examples of how nature has tailored these creatures to fit their surroundings perfectly. Contrast this with the human body, which, while versatile, is often ill-suited for the environments we find ourselves in. We have to create tools and shelter to compensate for our physical shortcomings, whereas these animals are naturally equipped to handle their respective habitats. It's not that we are poorly designed, but rather that our design reflects a different set of priorities. Our strength lies in our adaptability and our intelligence, which have allowed us to inhabit virtually every corner of the globe. But when it comes to raw, physical prowess, we are decidedly outmatched by many of our animal counterparts. Indeed, these comparisons provide a humbling perspective on our own physical limitations. So, what are some of the major imperfections in the human body? One of the glaring imperfections we contend with is our susceptibility to diseases. Our bodies are a battleground for microscopic invaders such as bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. Our immune system, despite its intricate complexity, often falls short in protecting us from these invaders. Consider the common cold. It's a trivial ailment, yet it's something our bodies cannot completely guard against. The same goes for more serious diseases like cancer, a disease that occurs when our own cells rebel against us. Next, let's delve into our limited physical abilities. Humans are not the fastest, strongest, or most enduring species on the planet. A cheetah can outrun us, an ant can outlift us, and a camel can outlast us in the desert. Even our senses are relatively mediocre. Eagles have far superior eyesight, dogs have a heightened sense of smell, and bats employ echolocation, a sensory ability humans can only dream of possessing. Then there's our lifespan. Though it has certainly improved with advancements in medicine and technology, it's still relatively short when compared to other organisms. Some turtles and whales can live over 200 years, and certain trees can live for thousands of years. In contrast, the average human lifespan hovers around 80 years, a mere blip on the timeline of the Earth. These imperfections can significantly impact our quality of life. Diseases can debilitate us, limiting our ability to enjoy life to the fullest. Our physical limitations can prevent us from exploring certain environments or performing specific tasks, and our short lifespan often leaves us feeling as though time is constantly running out. But it's not all doom and gloom. Understanding these imperfections can motivate us to seek solutions and strive for improvement. Medical research is continually seeking cures and treatments for various diseases. Technological advancements are helping us overcome our physical limitations, whether it's through the development of prosthetics, exoskeletons, or even virtual reality. And while we may not be able to significantly extend our lifespan just yet, we're finding ways to improve our quality of life in the years we do have. These imperfections, while they may seem like flaws, are also what make us uniquely human. They remind us of our vulnerability, our mortality. They push us to adapt, to innovate, to persist. They inspire us to dream of a better future where diseases are eradicated, physical limitations are transcended, and life is lived to its fullest potential. In the grand scheme of things, these imperfections are not our downfall but our driving force. They are the challenges we rise to meet, the obstacles we strive to overcome. They are the sparks that ignite our curiosity, fuel our determination, and drive our progress. These imperfections remind us of our mortality and challenge us to constantly strive for improvement. The human body is far from perfect, but that doesn't mean it isn't fascinating. As we've explored, our bodies are riddled with quirks and imperfections that reveal our evolutionary history. From our vulnerable spinal columns to our inefficient sinuses, and the existence of seemingly purposeless organs like the appendix, our bodies are a testament to the fact that evolution is not about perfection, but survival. These imperfections, however, are not a mark of inferiority. Rather, they serve as a poignant reminder of our shared biological heritage. They tell a story of adaptation and survival, a narrative etched into our very cells. And while these quirks may sometimes lead to discomfort or disease, they also serve as a roadmap, guiding scientists and researchers in the quest for medical advancements. Consider, for example, the human knee. Its design leaves much room for improvement, and yet, understanding its flaws has led to impressive developments in the field of orthopedics. Similarly, the human back, while prone to injury and pain, has inspired advancements in everything from physiotherapy to ergonomic design. Our bodies, in their imperfection, offer a wealth of opportunity for innovation. They challenge us to continually seek ways to improve our health and longevity. They push us to strive for a deeper understanding of our biology, to question, to explore, and to innovate. The imperfections of the human body can also serve as a potent motivator for individual growth and self-care. They remind us of our vulnerability, of the importance of taking care of our health. They encourage us to exercise, to eat well, to rest, and to listen to our bodies. They inspire us to seek balance, to respect our limits, and to celebrate the incredible capabilities that we do possess. Our understanding of the human body's imperfections has led to significant breakthroughs in medicine and technology. From gene therapy to artificial organs, our knowledge of our own biological shortcomings has fueled a relentless pursuit of solutions. Our bodies, in all their flawed glory, are the inspiration behind countless medical miracles and technological marvels. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the human body, each imperfection we uncover presents a new opportunity for discovery, a new challenge to overcome. And as we rise to meet these challenges, we push the boundaries of what is possible, advancing not just our knowledge, but our capacity for empathy, compassion, and care. So yes, the human body is far from perfect. It's a patchwork of evolutionary compromises, a collection of quirks and oddities. But these imperfections are not just flaws, they're opportunities. Opportunities for growth, for innovation, for understanding. They're part of what makes us human, and they're an integral part of our journey as a species. Despite its flaws, the human body remains a marvel of nature, a testament to the complexity and beauty of life itself.